Now let's talk about tool belts. This is a cheap, I think it was $10 tool belt that I got at my local Ace Hardware. Basically anything with a pouch and a belt is what you're gonna need. I think that there are some actual window cleaning tool belts out there, and maybe that's something that you want to look into, but this $10 tool belt works perfect for me and has for the entire time I've been doing this. On the other side of this tool belt, you can see I've got a bucket on a belt, which holds my mop and a squeegee. There are several different styles and brands of this as well, and you know, just for different preferences and stuff. This one holds one mop and one squeegee. I think there are some that will hold multiple squeegees, but doesn't seem to be too big of an issue for me. Also, this one will hold that smaller style scraper. Over on this side of the tool belt, I keep my detailing rag in this pouch. I keep my other towels in this pouch and my soap back here. This loop here, which I think is supposed to be for a hammer, fits my scraper just fine. And generally when my towel that I use to wipe up windowsills and stuff gets wet, I'll hang it on this hook as well. Also, there's this loop back here that I will put my extra squeegee in usually. And so when I'm working on a larger window, I'll have my large squeegee in the bucket and my small squeegee on the belt. And then when I'm working on a smaller window, I'll switch them. And I'll do this in the middle of a job too. Whichever squeegee I'm needing more, I'll keep on the bucket. And there are times where it's like, oh, there's one big window and the rest are smaller windows. I'll keep the smaller squeegee in the bucket. I'll keep the larger squeegee on the belt. And then I'll use the larger squeegee to do the one big window, and then I'll wipe it off with the towel so it's not dripping everywhere, and I'll put it back in the belt. There are lots of different tool belt options. Like I said, you just got to go out and find one that works for you. But a huge game changer is the bucket on a belt. If you can get some sort of bucket on a belt that will hold your mop and your squeegee, it's super nice to just be able to stick that on your belt while you're working and moving around or moving ladders and stuff, than having to put it back in your bucket or try to find a clean place to set it down, or, you know, stick it in your pocket and soak your pants through. It's just, yeah, this is just nice. It catches all the drips and everything. Hey, thanks for watching. You know, this video is actually part of a free online course that I've made on how to professionally clean windows. If you want to sign up for the course, you can go to the link in the description where you'll find the rest of the course, some other supporting materials, and a community of other people that are learning how to clean windows as well. So, thanks again, and we'll see you in there.